Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2005 Dodge Viper SRT10 convertible. The 8.3 liter V10 Tremec 6-speed manual in Viper Race Yellow on black interior. All right, we'll start here at the rear of this Viper. So we'll take a look underneath the trunk lid first. You can see that long trunk lid up in the air there, nice and clean. We have the black convertible top down here, and here's your trunk, all carpeted. Looks fantastic. There's your Viper badge there. Let's go ahead and close this trunk, and we'll zoom out here. Let's check out the interior. So black interior, you can see how great it looks with the black top, and come into this beautiful bright yellow paint. There's your tail lights, and we got Dodge in the bumper there, and then we got Viper on this side here. All right, we'll spin the car around. We'll move to the wheels next. All right, so right away you're gonna see it has the polished aluminum wheels, looking great with this yellow. We'll come down here with the Viper. They are the Viper rims. Tires are Michelin tires, and they are relatively recent. We have a massive 355/30 ZR19 in the rear. You got the performance disc brakes. You can see a large there in the back here with those red calipers, and they do say Viper on them. All right, let's check out the front tire. Again, it is a recent tire as well, so the tires are great on this car. Michelin Pilot Sport 4Ss. Front tire size is a 275/35 ZR18. And again, Viper on those red calipers there. All right, we'll check out the interior next. So we got the black interior. You're gonna see that black door panel. There's your power windows. Nice thing about these Vipers, nice and basic. There's your speaker grill. Show you the dash on this side here. You can see how clean it is. Look at the dash there, no cracks or anything like that. Let's open up the glove box here. There's your owner's manual. Here's your door jambs, nice and tidy. Your stickers even look like they're nicely intact there. We got the Viper carpeted mats there, and then you got these black leather seats with the suede inserts. So let's check out the seat here. Very cool looking seat, very sporty seat. The Viper embroidered there, right behind those bars behind the seat. Let's come in between. You could have the Alpine stereo system that came with these Vipers. Great sounding stereo. Start back here. We'll walk down here. There's your seats. Your visors look great. There's your mirrors. Your door handles tucked up here. Fuel and your nice polished wheels. Down here we got the side exit exhaust, iconic to the Viper. Make our way down here. We got the Viper SRT10 badging there. And look at the headlights, nice and crisp. I don't see any hazing or like that. They look great. We'll see them on. And there you got the fog lights and the Dodge grill. Let's take a look underneath the hood. So there's your hood liner. Here is your engine. So it's an 8.3 liter V10 producing 500 horsepower. You can see it's got the red valve covers that say Viper on them. It's paired to the 6-speed manual transmission, which is a Tremec, so it can handle all this power. Appears to be all factory. And close this hood here. We got that long hood, and we got the scoop there, and we got the vents out on the sides. And look how beautiful this paint is. So just so you know, we have not polished this car yet. This is how it came in, and it looks spectacular. We will do a 5-stage polish on it, as we do for all our cars. So it will look even brighter than it does right now. Viper badge there. As far as flaws, I think I've seen one little touch up and one there. Barely noticeable. There we are, the wheels there. This is just a fine example of how these cars were back in 2005. door panels there. Sorry, those are power locks, not power windows. And those are your power mirrors. Let's check out the dash on this side. So again, nice and clean. You don't really see any wear. There's your door jambs. Stickers on this side are great as well. Pedals down there. So of course it's a manual. So we got the third pedal. And then here is your leather seat. And it is like a suede, so it does brush. And you can see the leather is in fantastic condition as well. All right, let's make our way inside the Viper. Close this door up here. Here's your vents over here. Let's go ahead and start it up. So we got keys back in 2005. So we got 2 keys with the fobs. And let's start it up. Let's turn the key and it's got a red push button. There we are. Let's check it's neutral. All right. Let's zoom out here and check out the steering wheel. So a black leather wheel. If you look up here, it's kind of got a grain to the leather, which is cool. Got the bump outs here. 3-spoke design, the Viper in the center there. Very cool looking. And then we come into the dash. We got the white analog gauges. I love that look. So you got your fuel, your big tack in the center, and of course your speedometer over there. And then if you look 340 kilometer speedometer there, massive. All right, mileage only 21,255 kilometers, so very, very low kilometer Viper. That's why such in great condition. There's the visors, there's your mirror there. We got all your gauges over here. So very race inspired, nice and basic. Here is your vents, and we have the factory stereo system in it. It's a six disc CD changer. Here's your climate controls, and of course that 6-speed Tremec manual transmission. Here's your e-brake handle. You can see everything looks very nice and tight. Here's your power windows. We got 1 cup holder here. There is a little mark here on the plastic, nothing major. Here we have your console. We'll open that up. We got some storage in here, 12-volt socket there. All right, let's open this up. Electronic door release there, it sounds like. We'll open up the lights here, and let's give it a few revs. All right, here. All right, exhaust is right here. Lots of power. You can see just the condensation coming out of the exhaust. Nothing to be worried about. Let's make our way to the front here, show you the headlights on here. Look how crisp this thing looks. Wow. All right, let's spin it around. Check out the taillights. Listen to the exhaust. There's your taillights. What a spectacular car. All right, so here we have it. This is a 2005 Dodge Viper SRT10 convertible. 8.3 liter V10 Tremec 6-speed manual, polished aluminum wheels in Viper Race Yellow on black. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.